Hi, and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Coatney. I'm Terry Coatney. I'm a realtor in Vienna, West Virginia with Coldwell Banker. We also have offices in Marietta, Ohio on the other side of the river. So we've been talking about the home buying process. So you finally found the house that you want to make an offer on. Your realtor will help you decide what you're going to offer. First thing you're going to decide is what the price is going to be. What are you going to offer in terms of dollars? The realtor will help you with that because he'll pull comps showing what similar houses have sold for in this market in that area. Now, the process will be on the sales contract, which is 5 pages long basically, and some 300 lines. The process will be when it's accepted, the price is accepted. Then the next thing, there will be all these contingencies. First, there will be a home inspection, and then some repairs may be requested, some updates, and then after that, an appraisal, and then the closing. In between time, there's all these other elements of the contract. So you'll ask for a home inspector, a certified home inspector within a certain period of time, and then you'll have the right then to give that home inspection report to the buyer and ask for certain repairs. You'll also probably ask for a radon inspection. If there is a septic, you'll ask for a septic inspection. And typically that in this market, the seller will pay for that. And if there are updates that are needed for the septic, that will also be his responsibility. You will also then need a insect inspection to see if there's termites. And if there's termites and damages, it gives you the right then on that sales contract to say, seller, I need you to treat this, or you have the opportunity, if the damage is sufficient enough, you can walk away from the contract without any issues. Then also there'll be verbiage in the contract about damage. If there's any damages done to the house while it's under contract, how is that going to be addressed? Another important element of the contract is the close-on date. So you always have you never leave a contract open-ended. You always have close on or before date. And then at the very end of the contract, you will put the time of the essence. And so, in other words, you want a response back from the seller within a certain time on a certain date, or the contract becomes void. So if you have any questions about the sales contract, it's a very long document, some 5 pages, 300 lines. I'll be glad to review that sales contract with you at any time. You might want to understand too that this sales contract was developed by lawyers and approved by the real estate commissions in Ohio and in West Virginia. It has the intent here to protect both the seller and the buyer in the negotiation or the process of buying the home. Hope everybody's having a great day. And if you have any questions, you can give me a call. I'll be glad to chat with you about any of these subjects. You can reach me at 248-535-3559. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.